Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Binance account using your mobile phone in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Binance app. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Binance and download the official app. Once installed, open the app, or you can get in the description. Step 2. Tap on Sign Up. Now, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Step 3. Choose your registration method. You can sign up using your phone number, email, Google, or Apple ID. In this example. Step 4. Enter your details. Select your country from the list, then enter your mobile number. Create a strong password with at least 8 characters, including numbers and special symbols. Agree to the terms of service, then tap Next. Step 5. Verify your email address. Binance will send a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter the code to verify your email address. Step 6. Complete identity verification, KYC. To fully access Binance features, you need to verify your identity. He asks an information and the Continue button, then you will write name, father name, grandfather name, then we'll say Continue and write your nationality. Say Next and write your birth date and home address and postal code. That is optional. Upload a government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license. Binance may also ask you to take a selfie for facial verification. Congratulations! Your Binance account is now set up. You've successfully created a Binance account on your phone. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy trading!